YT, man, I know y'all been missing me. I know I ain't been posting like I have, but trust and believe, man, I got some planned, man. I've been working on something. That's what I'm saying. Just been working on something. Got something going on. But y'all gonna see though. Y'all gonna see. You already know. You know I can't sit down. I always gotta have something going on or whatever. I can't stop moving. Can't stop sitting down or whatever. But you know, y'all stay with me. Y'all gotta bear with me, man. You know what I'm saying. But when I get this done, I'm back active again for sure. And it ain't gonna be like I'm gonna be dropping little videos here and there. They're gonna give me about a good 2-3 weeks, you know what I'm saying? Good, you know, about a good 2-3 weeks, probably a month. But you know, I'm still gonna be posting, you know, but I know y'all been missing me though. But you know, we finna this little video today, man. I'm just putting something together, man. You know what I'm saying? A little fun weekend. But you know, y'all enjoy it. Y'all stay tuned, man. We out. go back to back. Four Nicks sold, man. I'm gonna miss it, fool. I ain't even gonna lie. Over here, man. He not pulled up on it, man. Ooh. Okay, he on the Harley. Oh no. Hey, man. Hey, man. Y'all think I can tote that? Y'all think I can tote what this? And he on that knee. He knee. On that knee. Okay.
I ain't got Larry's yet. That's to come. So within 6 days, that's what we got so far.
6 days.
6 days.
Okay.
First Harley ever.
First Harley, man. Y'all go
I ain't never even rode a Harley.
What's your IG? You gotta tell them folks your IG, who you is, man.
We're the Bike Star. WILLDABIKESTAR.
Yeah, I heard that, man. Man, boy got a Harley. Oh my God. It got the belt on there.
Do what?
You still got the belt? Yeah, I got the
Yeah,
belt.
I got the belt. I ain't changed it over yet.
You gonna change it
I
over?
got a Saddleman coming for it. I got some. Oh, there go my boy.
Damn, man.
All right, so you got that guy, and then Lord have mercy. There you go. Now, hey, you getting it up though. That's the main part of it. Get it up. He said, brother.
I can be knocked better though.
I'm getting the Saddleman seat, so once I put the Saddleman seat on, I'll let you ride it again. There's gonna be something different.
Yeah, man, that boy don't do nothing but have different to it, man. He done pulled up on the whip, little motorcycle.
Show you a little something different today.
Show me something different.
Oh yeah.